Good morning, third standard. This is your science class. Mrs. Sheila here. Now I'm going to teach you a new lesson, work we do. Now in this lesson, it's a little big lesson, but nothing very hard about it. Just we can see how the first picture. Just see what is the first picture. Here in the first picture, you can see a post box, post office. And what do they do in the post office? They divide the letters according to the address. Post box, we post the letters. Here the sweeper, and there is the tea shop. The tea shop man, there is a small boy is working without going to school, and he is serving the tea. And you can see a flower lady selling flowers. Here is a mason who is working on the building. There under the tree, you can see a barber cutting hair for a person, and you can see a cobbler who's stitching or mending the shoes, and you can see a traffic police is regulating the traffic. That is the picture of your main picture of the lesson. Now we slowly will move on. The next picture, they are showing the hospital. There the doctor and the nurse trying to move to the hospital. Here you can see a teacher, Jakubai. Her slipper is broke down, so she is running to the cobbler. Here you can see a flower vendor, fruit vendor, who is with a child, Chinnamma. She is trying to help the father. Now look other days. Balbir reached the tea stall after his breakfast. See, usually people drink tea after breakfast, yes? They go to the tea stall, and Satpitar, who had come from the village, was also with him. See, both of them are friends or maybe a relative. See, there the shop man prepares the tea and give it to the boy, small boy, and the boy is serving the tea to the people. As they were giving, he gives the paper, that day's paper. Usually in the tea shops, they buy paper for the people who visits the tea shop. They will give them for reading. Near that you can see this is shopkeeper. Near that you can see a lady who sells the flowers. People are visiting to the tea shop as well as to the post office. They will buy the flowers. Oh no, one does not realize how the time flies. Look at the group of children. As usual, they are late for school. See, as usual, they are late for school. Here also in art school, I used to tell them, don't come late. See, you are tensed in the morning itself. So, see, they are trying to run to the school. You can see the teacher, a slipper broken. She is running to the cobbler. And her name is Jakubai. It is good for him. He will go get money because it's nice. See, go to the person and get pay some money and get the work done. There he is a cobbler, a person who mend the shoes. We call them as a cobbler. Next picture, it shows about the tea shop. Champa is sitting there with a basket full of flowers. I spoke to you about the flower lady. Her name is Champa. People come to the post office and the tea shop. They'll buy flowers and go. That's why she's sitting there and trying to do her work. The next is, see the boy is continuously serving tea. And you can see a sweeper, a lady with a big broom, and she's cleaning that area. Now the construction people, you can see they are standing on the first floor. You can see some trucks on the way on the road carrying materials for the building, maybe the bricks or the iron rods or the sand or something like that. We call these people are construction workers or masons. Here is they are showing the picture of a hospital because the red sign is there, cross sign. You can see a nurse with a white coat on it, and you can see a doctor, and both of them are running to the hospital. There you can see a fruit vendor with her daughter. She is trying to give out the fruit. Nanu, the barber, has laid out of this shop, but whom will he shave? Right the middle of the crossing, the ends, Iqbal Singh. See, he cannot, he is waiting for someone. There one person, Iqbal Singh, comes and trying to shave someone. Here is a traffic police who whistle and stop the traffic and regulate the traffic, whether they go to right or left or whatever way they have to turn or whatever they have to do. He shows with the hand. He says traffic police. The barber trims out the hair. That's what he is doing it under the tree. Look carefully at the picture and write what works being done by different people. See, different people do different type of work. Yes or no? According to the work, we take their services. We should not underestimate or overestimate, or you can't say he is so respected and he is not respected. Everyone are equal on their own ways. Suppose sweeper is not cleaned the place, the whole area will be dirty. See here, there are some jobs is given. Shopkeeper sells different things to do. Teacher teaches the children. Cobbler mends our shoes. Sweeper sweeps away the dirt from the road. Postman brings letter for us. Mason, person who builds the buildings. Doctor and nurse treat the patients and look after them. Barber, a person who trims or cut our hair. These people, there is no up or down, all are same. Okay, what kind of work do people in your neighborhood do? Name any 5. See, you can change the answer if you want. See, these answers are given by the bookseller or by me. See, your neighborhood, how it is. See, teaches the children like you. Teacher. Carpenter with woodwork. Sell things to shopkeeper. Builds home, a building, mason. Sells fruit seller. See here, you can write anything you can write. Vegetable seller, vegetables who sells vegetable seller. Build mason, instead of that you can write a person who treats a sick patient, a doctor. See, you can write whatever you like it. Now here the buildings are circled with red and the places near your house are green. See, this is done by the book, and they have given the post office, hospital, school, shop. We have everything in our area. You can circle it. The green thing, church is there, hotel is there, petrol pump is there, mosque, I have a doubt, temple is there. We don't have a college nearby, but mosque is there in junction. Bus stand we have, bank we have, Gurudwara we don't have. Okay, what you don't have, don't put green there. Just leave it like that. Okay, if it is there, just. Now they are showing the buildings. The post office. Our post office is not so big, but the post office, the big post office they are showing. There is some petrol bunk and some mosque. All that buildings they are showing here, how they look like. This looks like a bus stand and maybe shops. There are so many small shops. This is a theater. This is a petrol bank, and they fill petrol. The vehicles, they'll come here and fill petrol. This is a mosque. People are going. This is a church. They'll go and pray there. And this is a hotel. They go and eat or they stay there. That's why there are so many rooms are there. And this is a police station. People do something wrong, they may be taken there and they will be treated. Treated means they will be given punishment. This is a railway station. People are waiting for their train. There are people working in the trains also. This is a temple. People are working. They go for praying. And this is a airport. And this is a big building on office. Maybe a big office. And this is a bus stand. This is a main bus stop. From here, there is many buses may run to different places. And this is a bank. They will give a deposit money or take money. Depends on how they do. This is a mosque and this is a politician.